Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Wow. Well, that was something right there, huh? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Ron. That's Gunner. Welcome to our channel. Today we're installing a Tugger Extreme 2 Enduro strap on my Arctic Cat 700H1 ATV. So let's just take a look at what we get with this Tugger Style 2 Extreme Enduro strap, shall we? So it's an extremely simple little product. So it comes with, instructions and zip ties. I don't know that we'll need the zip ties, but we'll see. So here's what it looks like. So it's literally a strap. It has a hardened like plastic core in the center for additional grip. And then it has these simple little, I don't know if it's zooming correctly. It looks like it might be. It has these little buckles on it. You slide the product through here and you loop it around, and in the case of a motorcycle you would loop this around your shock tube or your suspension tube. In our case, for this particular project, we're putting it around our handlebars. So see how it goes through the buckle. Hopefully you can see that. I'm sure if you want to, you can trim this material down a little bit. There's no reason why you can't. You simply just need to reheat the end, kind of like they did here, to prevent any kind of fraying. So again, super simple product. I've used this, not this exact style, I used their original on my Husaberg, and I actually have another strap from them that'll go on the Husaberg. That's their snow bike style. All right, let's get into trying to install this thing. So this isn't the first strap I've done on my machines. My old 2004 Arctic Cat actually has a Power Mad strap on it. I just went through that strap actually and cleaned up or changed out, I should say, the hardware that mounts it because it was all rusty and crusty. So while I was checking that thing over, I did see if there was a way I could fit that onto this particular machine, and there really wasn't. It wasn't even remotely possible. I couldn't get it in between the brake master cylinder like you see me doing here, and if I went down further, the strap really wasn't long enough to be meaningful enough to even try and hook on the bars. So it wasn't going to happen, So now the biggest trick is we got to set our strap to where we think we'd like to see it. So I think we're going to maybe go with a little bit more. That might be good. That might be enough where it's out of the way but still usable. So let's go with that. So I'm going to pull up on the buckle here so I can get this looped in. Then we're going to loop the strap inside of the strap. Some strapception for you. So this side I think is going to be a little bit easier, simply because there's just less stuff to really get in the way. The reason they supply those zip ties is to make it so that if I wanted to run zip ties in between the strap and say like this mount here to ensure that the strap stays tight, I could do that. And I don't know what I will. This strap, especially on this side, is super tight, so that brakes master cylinder has that pretty well locked in place. So this side here on the locker side, I may just to keep it nice and taut against that locker mount, but I don't know if I will. I'm undecided at this time. All right, so there we go. I've got it hooked on both ends here. I think that this is plenty of gap. It's not going anywhere. You can see I'm actually flexing the bars with the thing. If I want to hang off of it, you know, I can put my full weight on this. It's not going anywhere. See what I mean? So you can put a lot of leverage on that. The nice thing with the Tugger straps is that they are warranted forever. No questions asked. When I called and talked to Bert over at Highline Recreation, is the company that makes the Tugger, he had no problem with me using his product in this way. Well, I hope you liked the video. And I'd appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. And as always, if you'd like to see more of my content, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna go and dig out our garage now. So we'll talk to you all later. Take care.